How are you today? I hope you're doing great. My name is Ma'am Marie Crisalut Villa, your Mathematics 6 teacher for today. Before we proceed to our topic for today, let's have first an activity. It is called mnemonic coding. So, I have here letters and number sentences. What we are going to do, solve the given number sentence. Then, look for the equivalent letter of your answer in the alphabet to complete the hidden word. I'm giving you 5 minutes to answer this. are the words that you have formed? Okay, great. The words that you formed are basic operations of integers. Great, and that is the topic that we are going to discuss for this day. Now, let us proceed with our discussion. Our topic for today is about performing the basic operations on integers. Positive numbers together with zero and negative numbers are called integers. Integers greater than zero are called positive integers. Integers less than zero are called negative integers. The integer 0 is neutral. It is neither positive nor negative. The sign of an integer is either positive or negative, except 0, which has no sign. Okay, let's have addition of integers. In adding integers, we are going to look at the sign of the addends. When we say addends, these are numbers to be added. If they have like sign or the same sign, add the numbers and copy the common sign. For example, positive 10 plus positive 8. Our addends are both positive, so we are going to add the numbers. 10 plus 8 is equivalent to 18. Then we're going to copy the common sign, which is positive. So our answer is positive 18. Another sample, we have negative 20 plus negative 15. Our addends are both negative, so we are going to add the numbers. 20 plus 15 is equivalent to 35. Then we are going to copy the common sign, which is negative. So our answer is negative 35. One more sample, 15 plus 8. If you can see here, we don't have sign. There are no signs to be used, but if the numbers don't have any sign, meaning this is a positive integer. So 15 plus 8 is equivalent to 23. 23 is considered as positive. Now we know how to add integers with like sign. Let's proceed with addition of integers with unlike sign. Subtract the numbers and copy the sign of the bigger number. For example, positive 34 plus negative 21. So, we have here positive and negative. So, we're going to subtract the numbers. 34 minus 21, the answer is 13. Then, we're going to copy the sign of the bigger number. 34 is bigger than 21. So, the sign that we are going to use is positive. So, the answer is positive 13. Another sample, 8 plus negative 18. 8 is a positive, then 16 is negative. So, we're going to subtract. 16 minus 8, the answer is 8. And we can see that 16 is bigger than 8. So, we are going to use the negative because 16 is bigger than 8. Another sample, 35 plus negative 10. So, 35 is positive and 10 is negative. So, we're going to subtract 35 minus 10. The answer is 25. Now, let's try to answer the following. Find the sum of the following integers. When we say sum, it is the answer of addition. So, positive 4 plus negative 9 is equivalent to? Very good, that is negative 5. Another, negative 18 plus negative 4. What is your answer? Very well. That is negative 22. Another one. Positive 20 plus positive 8. What is the answer? Great job! That is positive 28 or 28. Now we're done with addition of integers. Let us proceed with subtraction of integers. How are we going to subtract integers? In subtracting integers, we're going to change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. What is subtrahend? Subtrahend is the number that is subtracted from the minuend. For example, positive 43 minus positive 20. So, we're going to change the sign of the subtrahend, which is positive 20. Positive 20 will be negative 20. Then we're going to proceed with addition. So, our addends now are positive 43 and negative 20. We have different sign. So, we are going to subtract the numbers. 43 minus 20. The answer is 23. Then we're going to copy the sign of the bigger number, which is 43. So, the answer is positive 23. Another sample. Negative 67 minus positive 22. First, we're going to change the sign of subtrahend from positive to negative. Then we're going to proceed to addition. Our audience now is negative 67 and negative 22. Both of them are negative. So, we're just going to add the numbers. 67 plus 22 is equivalent to 89. Then we're going to copy the common sign, which is negative. So the answer will be negative 89. Another sample, 75 minus 8. 8 is positive, so we're going to change it into negative. Then, from subtraction, we're going to change it to addition. So 75 plus negative 8. So we're going to subtract because they have different signs. 75 minus 8 is equivalent to 67. Okay, now let's try to answer the following activities. Find the difference of the following integers. When we say difference, it is the answer of subtraction. So let's try. Negative 14 minus negative 59. In subtracting integers, first, we're going to change the sign of subtrahend from negative 59 to positive 59. Then, we're going to proceed to addition. So, the answer is very well, positive 45 or 45. Another one. Positive 11 minus positive 31. Change the sign of the subtrahend. Then, what are we going to do next? We're going to proceed into addition. Then, apply the rules in adding integers. What is the answer now? Great job! The answer is negative 20. Another one. Positive 20 minus negative 3. Remember, change the sign of the subtrahend from negative to positive. Negative 3 to positive 3. Then proceed to addition. So, our answer is great. That is positive 23 or 23. Now, we already know how to add and subtract integers. Let's proceed with multiplication of integers. In multiplying integers, remember this rule. Positive times positive is equivalent to positive. Negative times negative, the answer is positive. Multiplying like sign is positive. Positive times negative, the answer is negative. Negative times positive, the answer is negative. So, multiplying and like sign is negative. Okay, let's apply the rules. Find the product of the following integers. When we say product, this is the answer of multiplication. So positive 8 times negative 9. First, we're going to multiply 8 and 9. So 8 times 9, the answer is 72. If we're going to multiply positive and negative or unlike sign, the answer is negative. So our answer is negative 72. Another one. Negative 7 times negative 5. The answer is 35. Very good. Positive 35 or 35. Another one. Positive 6 times positive 3. The answer is very good. The answer is positive 18 or 18. And lastly, we're going to proceed with the division of integers. Now, we're going to consider this rule. Positive divided by positive, the answer is positive. Negative divided by negative, the answer is positive. Dividing like sign is positive. Then positive divided by negative, the answer is negative. Negative divided by positive, the answer is negative. Dividing unlike sign is negative. Division and multiplication of integers are having the same rules in sign of numbers. Now, let's find the quotient of the following integers. When we say quotient, it is the answer of division. So, positive 27 divided by negative 9. So, let's divide the number 27 by 9. So, 27 divided by 9, the answer is 3. Positive divided by negative, the answer is negative. So, our answer is negative 3. Another sample. Negative 70 divided by negative 10. So, 70 divided by 10, the answer is 7. Negative divided by negative is equivalent to positive. So, the answer is positive 7 or 7. Another one. Negative 56 divided by positive 7. So, we're going to divide 56 by 7. So, our answer is negative 8. After learning the 4 basic operations in integers, let's have our activities. For our first activity, you're going to multiply the following. You're going to write your answer on your notebook. I'm going to give you 3 minutes to answer this. Okay, now let's check your work. For the next activity, you are going to divide the following integers. You're going to write your answer on your notebook. I'm going to give you 3 minutes to answer this. Okay, now let's check your work. Another activity. Answer the following expressions by showing your solution. Write your answer in your notebook. I'm giving you 3 minutes to answer this. Okay, now let's check your work. Another one. Answer the following expressions by showing again your solution. Write your answer in your notebook. Another 3 minutes for this activity. Okay, now let's check your work. Now, let's have word problems. Read the following word problems involving integers. Observe how it was. For example, number one, when Miguel and Isaac woke up, their temperatures was 39 degrees Celsius. 2 hours later, it was 2 degrees lower. What was his temperature? Before we proceed with the solution of this problem, we can notice 39 degrees Celsius. Letter C stands for Celsius, which is a measurement of temperature on a standard in which 0 degree is the temperature at which water freezes and 100 degree the temperature at which it boils. Temperatures given in Celsius or Fahrenheit. For our solution, 39 minus 2 is equivalent to 37 or 37 degrees Celsius. The word degree lower is an indicates subtraction. For example, number two, if it is 25 degrees Celsius outside and the temperature will increase 5 degrees Celsius in the next 8 hours, how hot will it get it? For our solution, we have here 25 degrees Celsius and 5 degrees Celsius. So 25 plus 5, the answer is 30 or 30 degrees Celsius. And the word increase indicates addition. Okay, for the next activity, you will be grouped into five. Each group will answer the following word problems. Then, representative of each group will report their work. I'm giving you 5 minutes to answer this. That is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned something today. But before we end our class, I want you to answer this on a sheet of paper to be passed on the day of our retrieval. First, how can integers make you more interesting? Second, how can we apply this in our life? So that is for today. I hope you learned something. Have a great day ahead.